SJS 1801A. This historic drill hole shows an example of the hydrothermal breccias that define the high-grade mineralization found in the San Juan area, hosted in an andesite volcanic sequence named the Plomosas andesite. The following core boxes show the Plomosas andesite host rock with weak selective chloridization, cut by a high-grade gold and silver hydrothermal breccia with a matrix of calcite, gypsum, iron oxides between 186 to 189.5 meters. This interval assayed 3.5 meters at 2,930 grams per ton of silver equivalent and 0.7 meters at 13,335 grams per ton of silver equivalent. Previous studies have shown that the precious metals, gold and silver, are entrained within microscopic electrum particles. This breccia shows variable characteristics to the San Juan breccia. We have only recently started to study the zone, and we believe it contains great exploration potential.